Someone in this industry is going to sell you a dream this year. They will sound certain, they will guarantee you the top, and when the money is gone, you will say the same three words I have heard for 25 years. I believed the dream. The salesmen just changed their clothes. In 2008, it was directory listings. Nobody needed them, well, not at what they charged. They sold them anyway. Today it is AI, same glorious shortcut, same con, new costume. The technology changes every time. The trick never does. I have watched this industry reinvent itself 5 times over. Search, social, mobile, content, now AI. I was there when Google arrived in 1998. I backed SEO before businesses knew why it mattered. I backed social when my own family told me to get a real job. We watch where digital is heading, we form a view early, and we act before it is obvious to everyone else. So let me say the thing nobody selling you AI wants you to hear. AI does not replace good SEO. It is built on top of it. Your foundations have never mattered more. Throw AI slop at a website and it gets penalized, not rewarded. The panic is backwards. You have not lost what you built. You need it now more than ever. Almost everything about that first world is gone. The platforms, the rules, the way a business gets found, rebuilt several times over. And yet the one thing that decided who won then decides it now, whether people trust you, whether you tell them the truth, whether you do what you said you would do. After 25 years, that is the only thing I am completely sure of. The systems will keep changing, people will not. Build for what lasts and let everyone else chase what does not. We are Net Branding, building digital trust since 2008. Be seen, be heard, be found, be trusted and cited, leading the next digital revolution.